Dear students, in this video we are going to talk about the working with COVID data. First, I will discuss the sources of the COVID data. There are multiple sources from which you can download the data for COVID cases and other materials. One of them is Our World in Data. This website provides you data with the COVID from the beginning of the COVID till date. You can easily download the data from this source in Excel, CSV, or JSON, whatever format you like. There are also other sources which provide the data. John Hopkins University, Oxford University, and obviously government for every country is also maintaining the COVID data. But I have downloaded the data from uh, Our Data in World or website. This is the data which I have downloaded. We have data for country, total cases, new cases, total deaths, and new deaths. Let's suppose we want to work with total cases and total deaths, and we want to work with the data of Pakistan. So we have to just apply the filter, select the Pakistan, and the data of Pakistan has been sorted. Now we will just copy this data and paste into the new Excel file. I have already did this. Here is the data which I have copy pasted from the previous Excel file. We have data for total cases, new cases, total deaths, new deaths. I have also downloaded the data for Karachi Stock Exchange. Data for stock exchange is available from investing.com, Yahoo Finance, and obviously official website of Karachi Stock Exchange. Now there are two main things. First thing is that the Karachi Stock Exchange works weekly. There are two holidays, Saturday and Sunday. So I can say that the data for Karachi Stock Exchange is available on weekday basis, while the data for COVID is available on daily basis, and there are no holidays for this data. You can just see that 4, 5 of 4 and 5th of January is missing from this because it was holiday or Saturday, Sunday. But we have a data for 4 and 5th of January. So our first task is to combine these data sets to run a regression. What we will do, we have to arrange this data, COVID data, into weekdays data, and then we can match it with the Karachi Stock Exchange data. So first step, Excel provides us a very good function which is weekdays. This function basically converts a date into a number according to the given hierarchy. For example, we want that Sunday should be 1 and Saturday should be 7. So it will arrange this data likewise. We have choose 1 and that's it. Now you can see that they have converted this data into 3. We will just apply this to whole data set. We can see that 4th of January is 7th and 5th of January is 1, which means that 7 is Sunday and 1 is Sunday and 1 is Sunday or 7 is Sunday whatsoever, but both of these variables show the weekend. We can just filter out them. Now we have the data for weekdays. You can see 4th and 5th of January is missing from this data set, and 1 and 7 is also missing. So now we have converted the daily data into weekdays data, and we can match this data with stock exchange data. Okay, to match the data, I have copy pasted the data in another sheet, and we have just data for weekdays. We can simply copy this data from here and we can paste here. Just label it, and we have the data for Karachi Stock Exchange and COVID cases for Pakistan. Now we can done whatever statistical analysis we want, for example correlation or regression or whatever our purpose. So that is the way to convert COVID data into time series to work with Karachi Stock Exchange or other stock prices. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope it would be helpful for you people.